Today's session. Today we are going to be covering how to post on LinkedIn as well as share content. So let's get started. So if you've been following through from last week's session, right now you've made a few connections. Additionally, you now have a newsfeed where you're able to see what your connections have been posting, as well as some of the interactions you have had. So you're able to see some of your groups, some of the hashtags you're following, as well as events if there are any that you've been following. So let's get started with how to post. So you'll just come to the very top of your computer or app if you're using the mobile app, and then click on Start Post. So here you get to share your thoughts on whatever it is you want to share. So for example, so let's say that's what I want to share. So LinkedIn also gives you some of the hashtags you could use just so that your post can be able to reach more people. Once you're done with that, you could add a video. You could also add a document. This is where you come to when you want to post a job post. You could also celebrate an occasion. So, for example, it's welcoming someone to the team, launching a project, or whatever it is. You could also create a poll. So, you want to ask questions and just get people's opinions on certain things. So, you just post your question and then have people respond to that. You also put in the duration that you want the poll to run. And then once you're done, you just do that. So for this post, let's select an image I want it to go with. So let's say this is the image we're going to go with. So it allows you to tag people if you want to tag people onto the image. Then once you're done, you just click done. And then so this is how your post is going to look like. And you've already added the hashtag. So at the very top here, you could select how you want who you want to see the post. So anyone means that even if you're not connected to them on LinkedIn, they're able to see your posts. This one links LinkedIn and Twitter, so you don't really have to go to Twitter and post manually, especially if it's the exact same post you want to run on Twitter as well. The third one, connections only, means that only people you have made connections with on LinkedIn are able to see whatever it is that you post. And then the fourth one means that it allows you to post on the specific groups that you're in. So for example, myself, I'm in these particular groups. So I'll select, let's say, marketing communications. And then that's where the post is going to go. So let's select anyone. And once I'm done, all I need to do is hit post. And the post is up. So that's how you start and share a post on LinkedIn. So you could do this with a photo, with a video. You could also do this to share an event. So you literally create an event. So this will, however, need you to be, so the organizer is myself. So let's say the event is skills training. I'll select the time I want the event to be. Yeah, so you select Kenyan time. Yeah, then the date, let's say, is tomorrow at 5 p.m. Yeah, and then also what time does the event end? So is it a one-day thing or whatever? So let's say it ends at 6 p.m. So this is where you put in what skills are people being trained on. So for example, let's say digital skills. And then here you can add the speakers. And then you make the event public. And then if it is an online event, you just put in your either Facebook Live link, your Zoom or Google Meet link here, so that when you create the event and someone is interested in it, they have all the information in this particular post. Yeah, so that's how you create an event on LinkedIn. Additionally, you could also write an article. So you select your profile and then you just select, this lets you use LinkedIn as a blog of sorts. So here you see who you are and then you put in your headline. So the future apologies, of business in Africa. Yeah, so it literally appear as if it is a blog post or a newspaper article. So you'll be able to add your cover image, just click on that and then select whatever image it is that you want to use. So for example, for this article, I'll use that. And then you also get to scroll and just make the image fit how you, just make it fit. And then here's the place where you write your article and just share your ideas. And then additionally, if you want to add images or a video, you could do that. So you could add image or a video or a slide, links, so that when someone clicks on it, they're redirected somewhere else, or just like a snippet, a small bit of the article, just to whet people's appetite and have them want to engage more with that particular article. Yeah, so if you want to add like an image, you just click on that and then upload from your computer. And then you'll just select whichever image it is that you want to upload so that it goes together, so that it pairs with your article. Yeah, then once you're done, you just hit publish, this big, beautiful blue button, and you're done. You will have shared an article on LinkedIn. Also, LinkedIn lets you select the type of font you want, also add bold, italics, or underline. It also lets you, basically, it performs as well as a Word or a Google Doc. Yeah, so we hope this video has been informative and we hope that you will try out posting on LinkedIn, the different facets of posting on LinkedIn. See you on the next one.